TCI High-Frequency Screens designed and built in Walnut, Illinois have among the highest screen capacity in the industry for dry, fine material separation.
I'm Kellen Moylan, Sales Manager for TCI Manufacturing.
The screens come in a variety of configurations including single, double, and triple deck models. TCI can build your screen as either a portable or a stationary unit, with this particular application being a stationary model, also designed and built by TCI. The purpose of the high-frequency screen in this application is a common one. We're taking a difficult-to-screen 3/8 inch minus material and turning it into 3 valuable products. Conventional screens will often struggle on the bottom deck once the opening size gets smaller than 3/8 of an inch. This makes the high-frequency screen a natural complement when finer separations are needed. Our goal here is to make a premium agline product, manufactured sand, and to specifically target a clean chip product that can be made without washing. This is done by a combination of high speed and low stroke motion. This combination allows for proper material stratification that sets up a greater probability of separation and high production for our customers making these products. At TCI Manufacturing, we take pride in our people, our quality, and ultimately in our customers' success.